Hello friends, welcome back in our all-in-all channel. If you are new in our channel, don't forget subscribe, never miss an update. So let's start. Recipe of fruit raita. Fruit raita is a healthy and yummy. A simple and easy raita recipe to go with your regular meals or the food you prepare for fasting or vrat. Ingredients: 1 1/2 cups low-fat curds, dahi, beaten, 1/2 cup low-fat milk, 1/2 cup chopped mint leaves, pudina, 1/4 teaspoons finely ground pepper, salt to taste, 1 1/4 cups chopped apple, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 1/4 cups chopped pineapple, 1/2 cup pomegranate, and 4 almonds. How to make: whisk the curd with hand mixer matni properly and mix salt, sugar, ground pepper and curd as thick. Add little milk or water. Combine the apple and lemon juice in a bowl and toss well. Add the pineapple and pomegranate, mint leaves, toss well and refrigerate to chill. Refrigerate the dressing for at least an hour. Just before serving, add the dressing and toss well. Serve chilled. Preparation time: 11-15 minutes. Cook time: 0-5 minutes. Makes 4 servings. Now what do you say about this video, guys? Let me know your answers and opinion about this post in the comment box and share it with everyone whom you know. Keep following our all-in-all channel for getting such interesting videos being published every day.